So one of the last trends is the mobile enterprise. I think everyone sees this happening more and more as, again, anywhere, anytime connectivity. How can you enable your workforce to work better? So I don't know how this is just something we analyzed and saw. I mean, how many different companies are evaluating different mobile applications. So obviously the personalized contacts, wireless email, those are the hottest ones that people are either done or evaluating. But what we're starting to see too, though, is more trends about when we're going to get there with line of business applications, Salesforce automation. I mean, Salesforce.com, MSCRM, they've made it much easier now to get this information. So, as technologists, we can at least start to begin to offer these, our line of business applications, or look at what would have the most return on investment with those. So, at the end of the day, a lot of this is all about improved productivity. How do we get return on investment from, moving to these things? Well, people have to be more efficient. People have to be able to get their jobs done quicker. We don't have to have as much overhead to get especially basic administrative things done. So you should look at, what would really provide benefit to your business. If I moved over this line of business application to these 1,000 sales representatives, will it really make a big impact? Will they be able to do their job better? And before you do anything, obviously, it's really important to understand what are the requirements. What's really going to make a difference for them? What do they really need? So we're running out of time here, so I just wanted to wrap up the last couple pretty quickly. So social networks and software, pretty much everybody out there sees this as a trend. No matter who you look at, all our customers see this as a trend as well. The thing is for you to look at is where can we embrace this with the other collaboration tools that we have that make sense? Where can it make an impact? You can't really stop this information, and this is about humanity. It's about connectivity. It's about people seeking to be connected with each other. So you have to think, would creating a wiki really help our organization? Would creating a blog externally facing or internally facing make a big difference? On that study that I mentioned about the intranets, one of the big places that most people went on intranets were internal blogs that the CEO or senior management gave. So that was a great way for them to communicate with each other. So again, this is important because it's a societal trend. It's people seeking to be connected with each other. And these trends are all integrated with each other again. You can use all this information to feed back that business intelligence and make that work for you. It's another way to engage your customers. So I think you should always look with sales and marketing to establish how can you use these tools? How can the other parts of your business use these tools? And then if you're in more B2B with large-scale companies, is there a way that you can create extranets, or is there something where you can work with these social networks to facilitate communications with them? And always think about how practically it can work for you. So that we run out of time, so that kind of wrapped up everything. So like I said, hopefully this was useful to you. Hopefully it made you think, what trends will make a difference? What is applicable to your situation? What really matters? What can you practically do that's going to not cost that much in these type of days, but at the end of the day, create some return on investment for you?